Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. If you're searching for sugar-clean reviews, then you've probably seen ads claiming this supplement can balance blood sugar, boost energy, and fix insulin issues naturally. But the big question is Sugar Clean legit? Or is it just another overhyped supplement scam? Let's break it down. Sugar Clean claims to be a blood sugar support formula designed for people who want more than temporary fixes. According to the official website, it promises to support healthy blood sugar balance, maintain steady energy with fewer crashes, improve insulin sensitivity at the cellular level, target the root causes of glucose imbalance, and it claims to be made in FDA-registered, GMP-certified facilities in the USA. Sounds impressive, but claims alone don't prove legitimacy. Ingredients and AMP. Formula check. 055, 135. Sugar. Clean promotes itself as a natural supplement, usually mentioning plant-based extracts, minerals, and nutrients commonly found in blood sugar products. Here's the key thing to understand. Many of these ingredients may support blood sugar health, but no supplement can replace medical treatment or guarantee results. Also, the website often doesn't clearly explain ingredient dosages, which is a red flag for transparency. Now let's talk about warning signs. Heavy use of marketing buzzwords like root cause and cellular repair. No instant proof such as independent clinical trials. Mostly positive reviews on sales pages, but limited unbiased feedback elsewhere. Results may vary, but ads often suggest near-miracle outcomes. These signs don't automatically mean it's a scam, but they do mean you should be cautious. Yes, Sugar Clean claims to be made in FDA-registered and GMP-certified facilities. This sounds trustworthy, but remember, FDA registration does not mean FDA approval of effectiveness. It only means the facility follows basic manufacturing standards. So, is Sugar Clean legit or a scam? Sugar Clean appears to be a real supplement, not an outright scam. But I request you to please purchase from legit website, because there are many fake websites. Those are selling the same product. However, it is not a magic cure and should not be trusted blindly. Always consult a doctor before using any blood sugar supplement. If you're expecting instant or guaranteed results, you may be disappointed. That's it for today's Sugar Clean review. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and comment below if you've tried Sugar Clean yourself. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next scam review. Thank you.